KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, good morning, viewer. Welcome to KGR. Your boys back again. What do we have here? It's a 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. So this vehicle has some little story behind it, which I'm gonna give you. I'll be working on we'll be replacing the oil pan. Sometimes you wonder, 2018, why is the oil pan leaking? You know, so every car has a story behind it. So I happen to live in Brooklyn. Shout out to Brooklyn. Let's spread love in Brooklyn way. So the owner of the car parked the car. So in New York right now, sometimes when you park your car, you leave the car there for like a couple of days, you don't move it. So the city just come, they grab your car, they tow your car. You have to go and pay money to, you know, bring it, take it back out. So it's not like before. Sometimes you leave your car, you just be there for weeks and all that. So on the venture of they are towing the vehicle, the guy didn't know. They towed the car. The guy who towed the car probably, when they put those things underneath there, you know, it kind of hit the oil pan, you know. So the guy went, pick up the car, drove the car, and apparently oil started leaking in the bottom of the car. So by the time we look now, the oil pan has been damaged. See, that become a problem. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna bring you guys and show you exactly what is happening and how we're gonna do this. So please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can. It takes one to know one, takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. There's nothing like I'm a self-made millionaire. Show me one, someone help you to get there. People are your greatest asset, not money. Support your boy in any way you can. Appreciate you. Let's go. We're getting it right now. So I'm underneath the car. So if you can look, just look. See that drop right there? Keep looking. I know you can't miss it. So that's where the thing was kind of, if you look at the oil pan, see? It's not rusted, it's nothing of that. It's just that little, see right there, that's where it's dropping. So now, that money has to come out of the guy that owns the car to fix the car. So that's what we're doing. So we're gonna go ahead. Never done this before, so but we'll figure it out. Fake it until you KG. Alright, let's do it. So there's a couple of surrounding boards right here. This one you cannot use so I will show you the bead that I'm using. See, even when you look at this one right here, you see right here, see what I have in there. So if you don't have a special tools like this, you won't be able to take off this bolt, because you can see the bolt is round, so there's no way you can be able to take it off. So you have to have a special tools. So there are a couple of surrounding bolts here. I took it out, some in there, and I'm just taking out those big bolts first before I get down here, you know. So it's a little tricky. There's a hole here, and look, there are some bolts there, which I can't be able to be videoing during the same time, but when I get the pan out, I have to lose this one too. When I get the pan out completely, I'll take out this one right here, and then we'll take off this whole thing, disconnect this, you know. So it's dropping pretty bad. So when I take out the pan out, I will bring you guys back and show you exactly what I did. The explanation will do it. KG, stay tuned. So there is a lot of bolts that you need to take out. I'll show you. So this one in here, right? If you don't have this, like I said before, See, you need this little skinny guy to go in here. There's a 3-bolt in here. That's a little bit gonna be difficult for you to take it out. And when you put this, make sure the thing fits in very well, because the last thing you don't want to snap that bolt. Because once that bolt is messed up, it's gonna be a whole fiasco. It's gonna be a fiasco. It's gonna be like a jumbo jet combo.
He shock you. Jesus.
So there's a heat sheet right here. I took it out already. So there's a 13 bolt that is tied. Yeah, let me show you right now. So this guy is what I'm talking about. You know. Then there's on that bolt that's going to be a little bit difficult as well. See this bolt right here? See where my hand is? Right by the belt here. So I was thinking about taking off this belt, but I was able to like squeeze it and lose it. But the other one is easy to get to. This guy, I lose it also. I just break it loose. I'm gonna take off this guy and put it on the new one. So everything looks good. It's just this thing is glue. So we have to pray to God now. Pray for KG. So we're gonna tap it out, and it's just there's no way I can be videoing it at the same time. So there's a lot of skin, all these bolts here, a lot of them. I'll count it when I get it out. Alright, so let me try to tap it and see how we're gonna get this thing out. KG, stay tuned. So I got it broken loose, as you can see. He's on his way out. It wasn't that bad. I just tap it. So he's on his way out. There she comes. There she comes. I need my 2 hand here. Now you gotta think. Alright, let me get my 2 hand to get it out. So that's the oil pan. It's completely out. Like I said, I was gonna count the bolts. So let's start from here. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We started from here. 25. So there's this guy underneath that I showed you. Is the one that read the oil pressure. This guy right here with 3 bolts. So we're gonna bring the new one, and we have to go and clean up, because this thing used like our gaskets glue. You have to clean up the one at the bottom there. So put a fresh one. I'll be ready to install. KG, stay tuned. So this is the new oil pan. Apparently, we bought it from the internet, but seems to be the same. The only thing we have to do now, we're gonna have to put a seal, like I said before. You know, we'll put a seal down here. Then we have to transfer that sensor, your air pressure sensor. We're gonna transfer it here from the old one, just 3 bolts. So I have to do that. So everything looks the same. There was this rubber here. I don't really know what is that for, but I took it from the old one and put it on this new one. You know. So let me take off that connector there for the pressure sensor and put it on the new one. I'll put gasket glue on it, and we're ready to go back in KG state. Okay, so as you can see, I transferred what I was talking about, because this is what it tells you if there's oil or not inside the sensor. So I transferred it already. So you just go ahead now and put a glue, and we'll be ready to install it. KG. So the oil pan is back in here. I'm sorry about the wind. It's a very windy day in New York. So essentially, see this boat right here? You gotta take out that boat. It's one. There's another one here. Two. There's another one here. Three. And there's another one there. Four. Before you start taking the food inside. So I'm just gonna put oil in it. Just change the oil filter. And that should be it there. You know. Like I said previously, just the boat here might give you a little bit problem. When you're putting that one right here, and you're trying to lose that, you know, you just push the belt one side. You don't have to take off the belts, you know. And disconnect this guy. All that. So we're looking good so far. Put the oil and we'll start the car, okay? So I just started the car. As you can see, so just make sure you check it around. There's no leak. So you see this bracket, right? It's tied to the, I failed to mention this earlier. It's tied to the oil pan. We have to take out that. It's just a 213 volt. It's a heat sheet. So the car is running. We'll let it idle for 20 minutes or so. And we'll check it the second time and we'll call it KG. So that's pretty much it on this vehicle. Everything looks good. Car is running. You and I should be happy. I'm happy. You're happy. Everybody's happy. Please make sure to subscribe and support your boy in any way you can. I will see you on my next episode. Peace. Love you all. I am.